Hi everyone, my name is Johnny Machine. We're here at the Miami Boat Show and we're at Scout. I'm going to show you 5 new models for this year. This is the 215 Scout Dorado, perfect runabout boat, nice integrated windshield. We have tons of exciting stuff at this show. We've got a beautiful Scout booth and lots of commotion.
Yeah, I think it's the dealer meeting.
This is our 277 LXF, nice Mercury 225 V8 engines. This is one of the new ones. We have the brand new 305 debuting. This is really a masterpiece. Integrated transom seating, walk around transom. It's nice because you don't lose any of the cockpit space. And then you also have molded bow seating in the front as well. So that's great when you're taking off and you don't have to hold on or sit sideways. You're nice and cozy, tucked right in. You guys might remember this from Fort Lauderdale. This is our 330 LXF. It's nice because it has a seakeeper option, built-in flush system, all integrated, and you have a dive door as well. This is one of my favorites, the 355 LXF, the 38 LXF, and the 42 LXF. But the real showstopper here is the 53, and this one has a flybridge. Jaw-dropping performance, top of the line finishes. This is what Scout's about. Thank you so much, guys.